Dear students of Standard 10, welcome to Botany class. How are you everybody? Hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Allah. In this class, we are going to discuss the last two stages of aerobic respiration. So, today we will discuss the Krebs cycle and electron transport system. Okay everybody, now let's start the class, and at first we will discuss Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is the third stage of aerobic respiration and represents the major set of reactions. This Krebs cycle was discovered by British biochemist Sir Hans Krebs in 1937. For this, he was awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1953. Accordingly, this cycle also familiar as Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is the third step of cellular respiration. Its substrate is acetyl-CoA and it is generally occurs inside mitochondria and restricted to only aerobic respiration. It is the cycle pathway. Each step is controlled by a specific enzyme. Krebs cycle does not consume any ATP molecules. Krebs cycle produces 2 molecules of ATP, 2 molecules of GTP, 8 NADH2, 2 FADH2 and 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. So from Krebs cycle we will get 2 molecules of carbon dioxide, 3 molecules of NADH2, 1 molecule of FADH2, 1 molecule of GTP. So each molecule of glucose produces 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, which in turn produce 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA. Therefore, each molecule of glucose produces double this. So we can say that 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA produces 4 molecules of ATP, 6 molecules of NADH2, 2 molecules of FADH2 and 2 molecules of GTP. Okay everyone, now let's see the electron transport system. Electron transport system is the final step of aerobic respiration. The electron transport chain is present in the inner membrane of mitochondrion. It consists of various enzymes and coenzymes which act as electron carriers. As the name implies, its function is to transport electron from either NADH2 or FADH2 to their final respiratory, which is water molecules. So in this stage, NADH2 and FADH2 produced in the above 3 stages are oxidized. Here above 3 stages means above glycolysis stage, formation of acetyl-CoA and Krebs cycle. And consequently, ATP, water, electrons containing high energy and protons and are produced. The energy is released while electron containing high energy move through the electron transport system. This energy is used in the formation of ATP. Everybody see this figure? This one is a cell membrane. And in the cell membrane, electron transport systems occur. That means this occurs inside the mitochondria and this one is the membrane of mitochondria. So here FADH2 and NADH2 which is produced in the glycolysis, formation of acetyl-CoA and electron Krebs cycle which is oxidized, okay, which is oxidized and produce ATP. So this energy used in the formation of ATP system. Now everybody, let's see the flowchart of aerobic respiration. Here in glycolysis stage we know that aerobic respiration has 4 stages. First one is glycolysis. So we know the glycol means glucose and lysis means broken down. So here glucose molecules breaks down with the help of 2 molecules of ATP and produces 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. Okay, here produce 4 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADH2. Then this pyruvic acid convert into acetyl-CoA. Okay, pyruvic acid convert into acetyl-CoA while producing 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and 1 molecule of 2 molecule of NADH2. So we can say that from 2 molecules of pyruvic acid we get here from 2 molecules of carbon dioxide and 4 molecules of NADH2. Then this acetyl-CoA enter into the Krebs cycle. Acetyl-CoA enter into the Krebs cycle. And then here is produces 3 molecules of NADH2, 1 molecule of FADH2 and 1 molecule of GTP and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. So from both sides we get 6 molecules of NADH2, 2 molecules of FADH2 and 2 molecule of GTP, and here is 4 molecule of carbon dioxide. So at last from 4 stages we get carbon dioxide, water and 38 ATP and heat energy, that means ATP. Okay, so we can say that from 1 molecule of glucose here is produces 38 molecules of ATP. Okay everybody, today up to this, next class we will explain the anaerobic respiration process.